What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, Tudia was kind enough to send me out one of their cases for my Google Pixel 6 Pro. So we're going to put it on my Google Pixel 6 Pro and I'm going to let you see how it looks and how it feels. So they sent me over their rose gold Tudia Merge case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. It says dual layer, clicky buttons, military grade drop protection, and I am a fan of Tudia cases. Tudia has been sending me their cases ever since I've had my TCL 10 Pro, so I know what I'm getting myself into. And this is what the case looks like on the inside. It says Tudia Merge. Has a nice silicone in the inside. This is a two-part case, as you can see. On the back here it says Tudia. It has some little grips. You have all your cutouts, as you can see here. This is the rose gold color. I know they have it in black, blue, and silver, but they sent me over the rose gold color. So now we're going to place this into my Pixel 6 Pro. I'm going to let you know what I think. So this is what it looks like when it's currently on the device. So here's your power button. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's nice and clicky. It feels good. It feels good. You get your volume up and down button. They're nice and clicky also. Down here, you get your USB Type-C, your two speakers. You get nothing on this side. As you can see, it's nothing. At the top here, you just get your microphone. And on the back here, you get a nice cutout for your camera, which is good. So when you place your phone flat on the table like that, you do not have to worry about your camera touching the table, because the camera lid is touching the table because the camera sits deep off in there, so you have nothing to worry about. You have a nice for nice protection. When you're going down on the table like this, you don't have to worry about touching the table. But I will say, like always, get you a screen protector to have even more protection. But this case has a nice feel and it looks nice. This color is actually, I've opened it in the black and silver.